Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make hummus from raw chickpeas. First, you'll need to prepare your chickpeas. Soak 1 cup of raw chickpeas in 4 cups of water overnight, or for at least 8 hours. Adding 1 teaspoon of baking soda to the soaking water helps them become extra tender. After soaking, drain and rinse the chickpeas thoroughly to remove any impurities. This crucial step ensures a smooth and creamy hummus. Once soaked, it's time to cook your chickpeas. Place the drained chickpeas in a pot and cover them with fresh water by about 2 inches. Bring the water to a boil, then reduce the heat and simmer for 60 to 90 minutes, or until they are very soft and easily mashed between your fingers. Remember to skim off any foam that rises to the surface for a cleaner taste. Now for the fun part, blending. In a food processor, combine your cooked chickpeas, 1/4 cup of tahini, 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, and 1 clove of garlic. Add 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of cold water or a few ice cubes. Process everything until it's incredibly smooth and creamy, scraping down the sides as needed. Your homemade hummus is almost ready. Transfer it to a serving bowl and drizzle generously with 1 tablespoon of good quality olive oil. For a beautiful finish, garnish with a sprinkle of paprika, some fresh chopped parsley, or a few toasted pine nuts. It's perfect with pita bread or fresh vegetables. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.